whatever you need.
All rise for the jury.
No.
Please be seated.
Madam, this is case number 154615, the People versus William Melendez. Appearances for the record.
Robert Donaldson, Prairie on behalf of the people.
Carmen DeFranco on behalf of the people.
John Donaldson on behalf of the people.
James Adams on behalf of Mr. Melendez, who's here.
Very good. The court received a note, and first of all, let me just indicate this. I'm not trying to be difficult with the alternate jurors that now that those seats are available, but we have to keep you in the seats that you're assigned, okay? So I'm not trying to be unkind. We are not unanimous on count one. What should we do from here? Thank you. I am going to give you this instruction as to count one, then I will answer the remainder. You have returned from deliberations indicating that you believe you cannot reach a verdict as to one count. I am going to ask you to please return to the jury room and resume your deliberations, in the hope that after further discussions, you will be able to reach a verdict. As you deliberate, please keep in mind the guidelines I gave you earlier. Remember, it is your duty to consult with your fellow jurors and to try to reach agreement if you can do so without violating your own judgment. To return a verdict, you must all agree, and the verdict must represent the judgment of each of you. As you deliberate, you should carefully and seriously consider the views of your fellow jurors. Talk things over in a spirit of frankness and fairness. Naturally, there will be differences of opinion. You should each not only express your opinion, but also give the facts and the reasons on which you base it. By reasoning the matter out, jurors can often reach agreement. If you think it would be helpful, well, just resume deliberation. When you continue deliberations, do not hesitate to rethink your own views and change your opinion if you decide it was wrong. If you think it would be helpful, you may submit to the bailiff a written list of the issues that are dividing or confusing you. It will then be submitted to me. I will attempt to clarify and amplify the instructions in order to assist you in further deliberations. However, none of you should give up your honest beliefs about the weight or effect of the evidence only because of what your fellow jurors think or only for the sake of reaching agreement. The reason the court hesitated about you sending a note to me, I can't resolve an issue of fact. I can't. I can only give you the law, okay? So, therefore, those are the guidelines as to count one. As the remaining counts, you should continue your deliberations. Remember, you can only submit a verdict to me if you unanimously agree on the remaining count. I just gave this instruction so that I'm going to send you back. I want you to continue to deliberate on those other two. Other two counts. Remember, it has to be unanimous agreement. Let me say this to you. You have been working very diligently. Yesterday, you took your assignment very seriously and you deliberated until we left at 4 o'clock. Today, also, you've done that. What happens is that sometimes you just need to kind of go your separate ways a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a 15-minute recess. I'm going to request, or 20 minutes, make it 20 minutes. I'm going to request that you get your things and leave. Go downstairs, get some coffee, go for a walk, then we're going to come back. We're going to come back, let's say, at 11:45. Give you a little bit longer. Just don't go to the casino or go to no bar. Okay, now you can't go there, okay? But anyway, when you get back at 11:45, we're going to go until 12:45. Then we're going to break for an hour, have lunch, and we're going to come back. but you're doing very well, okay? But sometimes, you know, you just need to step out of this, okay? Very good. All right, all rise for the jury. All rise for the jury. Knock on that door when you're ready to go to the room. Madam.
You may be seated.
Okay, let them out the other way.
Yeah, they're gonna know what it is.
Your dad was down here the other day. Yeah. Oh, student. Oh, he did.